Good morning, students. In the lesson, Getting to Know the Place We Live in, I taught you yesterday about Shivram Hari Rajguru. Today, I am going to teach you page 35 of your textbook, World Heritage Day. First, I will explain you the theme of World Heritage Day. The theme of World Heritage Day 2020 is shared culture, shared heritage, and shared responsibility. In the time of global crisis, where the world is fighting with COVID-19 pandemic, the theme plays an important role. Due to COVID-19 outbreak, the organization has decided to celebrate World Heritage Day via the internet. The theme focuses on global unity with the current worldwide health crisis. It also recognizes that whether the heritage is connected with landscapes, place, etc., it should be valued by multiple and diverse groups and communities. World Heritage Day, children, is celebrated every year on 18th April to preserve the human heritage and to recognize all the efforts of relevant organization. On this day, one must pay a visit to a fort or national monument. We must collect information about the rules for protecting World Heritage sites. Students, we take you all for picnic. For example, Sai Heritage Shirdi, right? Did we take you there? Yes. Do they just leave us inside? No. First, we get the permission. Then we sign some papers. What are those papers about? Nothing but rules given to us. Now what are that rules? Not to touch the statues, not to litter around, use dustbins, don't waste water, etc. So it's our duty to protect our world heritage. Students, just as a place becomes renowned because of forts or historical buildings, it also gains fame because of its people and their good deeds. Students, you must collect information about soldiers, writers, artisans, etc. from a neighborhood. For example, Zahir Khan. He is a cricketer. He is from a Shirampur city. Because of him, our town has become known to people. So you collect some more names like this. Okay? Now, obtain pictures of historical buildings, monuments and old Vedas in your surroundings and stick them in frames given in the textbook page 35. This is enough for today. Thank you.